Ever feel like support reps just read from a script? For high risk businesses, generic answers can leave you without real solutions. Here is a quick test you can try. Search for your specific industry, like coaching or supplements. Notice how the results are vague with no tailored advice for your business model. That's a sign their team might not fully understand your needs. And when you're flagged as high risk, cookie cutter support is not enough. Most payment processors use tiered support or outsource teams who don't actually know your industry. That means when you hit a problem like chargebacks, growth spikes, or policy reviews, you're left waiting on generic answers. For high risk businesses, that is risky. With Easy Pay Direct, you get a dedicated team that actually knows your business. They work directly with banks on your behalf and act as your payments liaison so you get real answers, not scripted replies. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description so you can check them out. They also offer transaction routing, which keeps your payments stable even if one account gets disrupted. If you are tired of cookie cutter support, EasyPay Direct gives you a team that understands your business and protects your payments. You will find the link to get started right in the description.